In this video, I will show how to insert a horizontal line in Microsoft Word document. So there are some easy ways to insert horizontal line. Tap 3 times hyphen, then press enter. So this is a way to insert horizontal line. Another way, in Home tab, you will see this border icon. Click here, and here the option horizontal line. Add a horizontal line across the entire page, cell, or column. Once you select it, you can change width, height, color, then click on OK. So thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe this channel.